Loss of energy on sharing of charges by two capacitors. Let V1, V2 be the initial potential of two capacitors C1, C2 having charges Q1, Q2 before sharing of charges. So V1 and V2 are the potential of two capacitors C1, C2 and Q1, Q2 are the initial charges and U1 and U2 are the initial energy stored by the capacitor. Total energy of the two capacitors C1 and C2 before sharing of charges is Ui equal U1 plus U2 equal half C1 V1 square plus half C2 V2 square. Half C2 V2 square. So this is the amount of total energy stored by the two capacitor Ui as half C1 V1 square plus half C2 V2 square, which is equation 1. Equation 1. When the capacitor C1 is connected to another capacitor C2, by using a connecting wire, the charge will be shared or transferred from the capacitor C1 having higher potential V1 to the another capacitor C2 having higher potential V1 to the another capacitor C2 of lower potential V2. Due to sharing of charges between two capacitors, potential of them will be common. Let V be the common potential of the capacitor C1, C2 due to sharing of charges or after the sharing of charges. Total energy of the two capacitors after sharing the charges is given by UF equal U1 prime plus U2 prime, where U1 prime and U2 prime are the final energy stored by the capacitors C1 and C2, equal half C1 V square plus half C2 V square. So finally we get the expression of total energy after sharing of charges, which is UF. Equation 2. Hence, but the common potential of the two capacitors will be V equals C1 V1 plus C2 V2 divided by C1 plus C2. V equals C1 V1 plus C2 V2 divided by C1 plus C2. This is equation 3. Q1, Q2 be the final charges. U1 prime and U2 prime are the final energy stored by the capacitor C1 and C2. And we get the expression of common potential of the two capacitors. Therefore, the loss of energy is delta U equal Ui minus Uf, assuming total initial energy stored by the capacitors as greater, assuming Ui greater than Uf. That means total initial energy is greater than total final energy. Means here final energy is less than the initial energy. Energy decreases. So there should be loss of energy. And finally we get delta U as half C1 V1 square plus half C2 V2 square minus half C1 plus C2 bracket closed V square. Half is taken common, C1 V1 square plus C2 V2 square minus C1 plus C2 V square. C1 plus C2 bracket closed V square. Now putting the expression of V, C1 V1 square plus C2 V2 square plus C2 V2 square minus C1 plus C2. Now putting the expression of V, C1 V1 plus C2 V2 whole square divided by C1 plus C2 whole square bracket closed, half C1 V1 square plus C2 V2 square minus C1 V1 plus C2 V2 whole square divided by C1 plus C2 only, because C1 plus C2 divided by C1 plus C2 whole square will cancel out and it will become only C1 plus C2. Half C1 V1 square plus C2 V2 square, C1 V1 square into C1 plus C2, C2 V2 square into C1 plus C2 minus C1 V1 plus C2 V2 whole square whole divided by C1 plus C2. Equal half 1 by 2 C1 plus C2, 1 by 2 bracket opened, C1 plus C2 bracket closed, C1 square V1 square. If we multiply C1 V1 square with C1 plus C2, then we get C1 square V1 square plus C1 C2 V1 square plus C2 C1 V2 square plus C2 square V2 square minus, now C1 V1 plus C2 V2 whole square becomes what? Under bracket C1 square V1 square plus C2 square V2 square plus 2 C1 C2 V1 V2. Equal half equal 1 by 2 C1 C2 half C1 square V1 square plus C1 C2 V1 square plus C2 C1 V2 square V2 square C2 square V2 square minus C1 square V1 square minus C2 square V2 square minus 2 C1 C2 V1 V2 equal 1 by 2 C1 plus C2 C1 C2 V1 square plus C1 C2 V2 square minus 2 C1 C2 V1 V2. C1 square V1 square will cancel out with C1 square V1 square, and C2 square V2 square will cancel out minus C2 square V2 square. 1 by 2 C1 plus C2. Now C1 C2 is taken common, so under bracket we should have V1 square plus V2 square minus 2 V1 V2. So finally we get half C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2, bracket closed, V1 minus V2 whole square, which is delta U. Therefore delta U is equal half C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2, bracket closed, V1 minus V2, where V1 is greater than V2, means the capacitor C1 has greater potential V1. So finally we get delta U as half C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2, V1 minus V2 whole square. This is the loss of energy, which is delta U. Delta U equal loss of energy or electric energy, where V1 greater than V2, and loss of energy as V1 greater than V2. That's why delta U will be positive. Loss of energy due to sharing of charges, between the two capacitors C1 and C2. This loss of energy appears in the form of sparking and heat energy, appears in the form of sparking and heat produced in the connecting wire